Pakistan blast kills 140. Here are the universe's most noticeably bad oil tanker fires in the past decade. At minimum 123 individuals were killed and scores harmed in Focal, Pakistan at an early stage Sunday when a fire ejected after group hurried to gather fuel from an upset oil tanker. Here are the most genuine such occurrences around the globe over the previous decade. In huge numbers of the most destructive of these, individuals were attempting to recoup spilt fuel and were gotten in the ensuing flame. November 17, 2016, Mozambique at slightest 93 executed and handfuls injured when an oil tanker conveying oil detonates in the west of the nation. Many individuals were attempting to redirect the fuel at the time. May 8, 2016. Afghanistan at slightest 73 murdered after two transports slammed into an oil tanker, starting a huge fire on a street in the east of the nation. Most casualties kicked the bucket in the fire. September 16, 2015, South Sudan at minimum 203 murdered and 150 harmed as individuals attempt to recuperate fuel from an oil tanker following a street missions at Maridi, around 300 kilometers west of the capital Juba. January 11, 2015, Pakistan at slightest 62 individuals, including ladies and youngsters, murdered in a fire after a mentor crashes into an oil tanker going on the wrong side of the street, on the edges of Karachi. July 12, 2012, Nigeria at slightest 104 individuals slaughtered and nearly 50 injured as they attempted to recoup fuel from an oil tanker following emissions in River State, in the south of the nation. Most were slaughtered in the resulting fire. July 2, 2010, Dr. Congo petrol tanker impact as Sanj, in the east of the nation, murders 292. A few casualties were attempting to recuperate the fuel after a street missions. Others were viewing the World Cup football competition in an adjacent corridor. October 9, 2009, Nigeria between 70 and 80 murdered in southeast Anambra State. A petroleum tanker detonated, the flares overwhelming a few different vehicles. March 26, 2007, Nigeria at minimum 93 slaughtered in northern Kaduna State as individuals attempt to recuperate fuel from an oil tanker following a mishap.